So for me, at the very core of me, of who I am, is this desire and this incredible passion to share my vision into a real tangible piece of work. But that image inside rarely ever truly translate 100% into what comes out. It rarely ever works. There's something it's just not working out exactly like I wanted it to. And it's only until I get so anxious and so motivated to get out of my own way that I get the momentum, I take those first steps. And I think a lot of people let this anxiety of not necessarily being able to translate that vision stop them from doing anything. But it's that elusive search for perfection that is such a motivating driving factor and such a motivating driving force in who I am as a creator. While I might have failed because I didn't necessarily translate my vision perfectly, I did create something that had value.